Hello traders, the title of the video is how to combine Elliott wave counts and triangle pattern precisely as FS trader, US dollar, Japanese yen. I need to remind forex traders that the US dollar, Japanese yen is not a friendly currency pair, alright? So if you are trading it, you need to know that the behavior of this currency pair may be sometimes a little bit funny. Alright? So it may not. You may see a setup, a bullish trend setup, and then it will just go down. Alright? You may see a bearish trend setup, and then it will go up. But you want to use a different time frame trading method to control it. But you need to understand that it's a little bit a moody currency pair. That's all. Okay? That's my view about this currency pair, okay? So how do we combine Elliott wave counts and triangle patterns? So the triangle is a corrective wave. So when we are talking wave count, probably we have seen a multi-wave. So we counted here, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. Now, price start pulling back, correcting that multi-way. So whenever we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will become an impulse wave of a higher degree. By doing so, that will help us to stay in tune with the bigger cycle. So the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is about this monthly chart, alright, and then we have another higher degree for the monthly chart, which is the yearly chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 become 1 on the yearly chart, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the monthly chart become 1 impulse wave on the yearly chart. Now we see a correction taking place, price pullback, and then we are now in a triangle. How do we combine the wave count and the triangle? So contrary to the general belief of many technical traders is that because we have a bullish trend before, now we see a triangle here, most traders will just assume that definitely it will go up. They will say this is a continuation pattern, George. Definitely it will go up. People should buy. Sometimes it may be a continuation pattern, sometimes it may not. So you don't want to assume that definitely because the prior trend was bullish and we have a triangle, definitely it will go up. That's the first reaction. It's normal to think that after a bullish move and a consolidation, the first intention will be to buy. But we do not want to assume that definitely it will go up, that it cannot go down. It can still go down, though it has more chance to go up. So you count a multi-way, you count the wave in an uptrend, and you see a triangle, just say that anything is possible. So we will be looking for priority bullish signal above the top of the triangle and priority bearish signal below the triangle. If we had a bearish trend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we see a triangle, the first intention will be to sell because the prior trend was bearish. But we do not want to think that it cannot go up. So again, you will say priority bullish signal above the top of the triangle and priority bearish signal below the top of the triangle. So a triangle is a consolidation. So people are selling and it had the price come near the top of the triangle. But you do not, and people are buying also on the lower part of the triangle, okay? But in the old days, people just place a trade to buy or they will buy a call option because the price has reached the lower part of the triangle, or they will buy a put option because the price has reached the top of the triangle. That's always you want to use a different time frame trading method. One of the mistakes, another mistake that traders are making is this. This is why I'm recording the video. So when a price, see this one is good. When a price is near the top or the lower part of the triangle, the candlestick bar on that time frame that was touching the top or the low of the triangle must close. Sometimes you'll see it like this one here. This one got a tail, you see. A lot of day traders, swing traders that are especially using the daily chart or the weekly chart, they will see on the daily chart or on the weekly chart, the candlestick bar will close near the base. But the monthly candlestick bar is not closed. That's why I prefer the monthly chart because of those things. So people will think that, okay, it's settled now, and they place a trade for one reason or another. Maybe they are using a top-down to the middle, and the price may continue to go down more. You see here, it stopped here. This one stopped almost on the edge on the monthly chart. The following candlestick bar open here, people start buying straight away. You see, those are buyers. That's why it went up a bit. But here it is coming down. That's why I say anything is possible. This one went a little bit below it before it closed. Though we are in a support zone, so to speak, because of the tail here, and also this candlestick pattern, all right, a hammer and a bullish candlestick bar in a bullish zone. Look. So you want to go one step at a time, and most importantly, using a different time frame trading method. As it is now, one must wait for that candlestick bar to close on the monthly chart. See, it's retesting the green trend line. Can you see the green trend line? The light green trend line. You see, it's retested it now. There is that trend line. Touch it here, went through it, and coming back again to retest it again here. So it will be a mistake to go, for instance, on a daily chart. It's not prudent to go on a daily chart. Start looking for trading setup on a daily chart because the monthly candlestick bar is not closed. It's not also prudent to go to the weekly chart, like here you see. So last week it closed on the edge. You see here, this is what we are saying. So somebody using the weekly chart will say, okay, it closed now. It's bullish, turning around the buy. Now look, this is this week now. So wouldn't it be good to wait for the monthly chart to close first? Did you say yes? That's correct. It will be good. So those are the things you want to take into consideration after you have counted wave and you see a triangle. The triangle is not definitely a continuation pattern that is relating to the prior trend that we have where we have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Price can go up or down, depending on if I support above the triangle or if I resistance below the triangle. When the price is on the edge of the triangle, meaning the top or the low of the triangle, it is prudent that the monthly candlestick bar is closed. It is prudent. All right? Do not assume that definitely it will turn around because it did turn around before. It has a high chance to turn around. To control the risk, we want to use a different time frame trading method. Before we wrap it up, when you see a triangle like this, what usually takes place is that traders only see a triangle. That's what they see. Okay, so they ignore every other trailer. So I'm talking now about the green trailer. Most traders that see this triangle, they will not pay attention to this, that green trailer. They will not pay attention to other horizontal key level. They are just seeing a triangle. So they say, okay, based on the triangle, and they want to buy. They ignore every other key level trend line support and resistance level. Don't do that. Pay attention to them. Right now, if I did not have this green line, you won't see it. You'll be thinking, so why they didn't stop on the edge? Because there's another trend line. They prefer to retest that trend line instead of stopping on the blue one. So we can put this currency pair on our bullish watch list and also our bearish watch list. All right? You see now? So at this junction, what can we say to traders? Did you ask that question? Were you waiting for that question? Were you waiting for that? Okay. Priority to bullish signal above this blue trend line and priority to bearish signal below it. But understand that there's a green trend line there. That's what we can tell traders now. The price may consolidate between the blue and the green when they go blah 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 oscillation. But right now, prior to bullish signal above the blue trend line here, and prior to bearish signal below it. So if it's going to become a little bit bullish, it will start going back inside the triangle. If it's going to stay more bearish, it will stay below it. But don't forget other key level, including the green one there. All right. So this we conclude our discussion today about how to combine Elliott wave counts and triangle pattern precisely as FS trader, US dollar, Japanese yen. Who is going to win? The Americans or the Japanese? That is the question. We want to hear from you, all right? Any comment, any suggestion, any blah blah blah, feel free to put in a comment section, and of course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up, please. You think that, George, I'm not buying it one bit, mark it down. This is an essential tutorial that can help other traders. Feel free to share it on Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. For Elliott wave trading, subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Elliott wave, digit 2, digit 4, Elliott wave in plural. For Forex trading, subscribe to 24 Forex trader, digit 2, digit 4, Forex trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the USDJPY traders talking about how to combine Elliott wave counts and triangle pattern precisely as FS trader, US dollar, Japanese yen. You may visit our website www.stochastic-mad.com for Forex trading, www.24elliottwaves.com for Elliott wave strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.